Hello everyone, here's Andrezi21 and for the long-awaited new video. And for today's setup, kind of diorama that I made, is a briefing over an imperial ship that I draw. I will explain everything that I did on this setup, but first I get this idea mostly from the Buddha Jedi, and when he did a video, I guess his briefing over Yavin. I will put the link of this video on my description below. I saw that video and I was really happy to see that. That's really amazing to what he did, and I thought, why not? I can make one too. But he made a Death Star there, like from the movie. This is most a setup that's not on the movie. It can be, but at the same time is not on the movie. It's like they are Akbar, General Akbar is explaining how to destroy Imperial cruiser most easily, and I don't have many pilots. So first I will start from the door. So this I got the box from a local food thing. Is American box, not original, but with the American colors. So I just cut like to make a west door, like woo. I used a knife and just cut it off to make like entry. I put on the floor, like when you come in you clean your shoes. This cardboard thing is from Ferrero chocolate. I thought it was a nice touch, so I put it in, and I guess 2 days ago I bought this Evolutions pack, Rebel Pilot Legacy. I bought this mostly because I'm really loving the pilots, Rebel pilots, mostly every pilot. So but a Jedi, I know that he's a really fan of the pilots, and I saw his videos and everything and I thought the pilots are really cool to collect. So I'm starting to collect the pilots that I can find. So I bought this from 24.99 euros. If we buy each figure, it was like 30 euros, 10 euros each figure, so it was a good deal, I think. So it's a pack from 2008, if not mistaken. I guess so. Says, yeah, 2008 over there. I got Tin Hub. Sorry for the glare. Dorvid, Bald, and yes, Vest Jason. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing wrong. And sort of. And I just put it in. I have some Rebel pilots, and please stay. Many figures are falling. Oh, I just put you back in a second. I have some pilots over here. The Luke Skywalker, because I don't have others, so I put Luke Skywalker in. Nin Hub, Zev Seneska, Dorith Bald, and Vest Jason. I put also another C-3PO, but I can call in another name. So this is a Rebel spy. I put it in because I know that it is a Rebel, says on the packaging, so I thought, why not? It can be a spy. A Rebel Oath Trooper, another Rebel, another rebel. Put a concept rebel trooper, Cloud City pilot, because there's landing colorism in here, why not? 2-1B, the medical droid, Chewbacca, and Solo, and I customized him. I got this jacket from another figure that is from the Golden Compass movie. I just cut the jacket and I put in on this Han Solo, and I think that he looks really cool. So you can see, not so amazing, but also not bad. I only have one Princess Leia that looks like Princess Leia, and on my all videos I let everything fall. So Princess Leia, Luke Skywalker, a 3PO, and many extramechs. So I will turn back to the original position. I know that you can only see the rebels from the back, but what I did is mostly that they look at this drawing that I made, but a Jedi draw a Death Star. I guess I already told that, but and I decided to not to copy him, to be also original, and I draw this Imperial Cruiser. Akbar is explaining R2 is holographic on this holographic table, putting Queen Amidala. I know that she's already dead, but like you have a recording from her for Queen Amidala telling something. But the Jedi sent me this, and I thought, why not? This is my first holographic figure that looks cool, and I put in there. I also have from Happy Meal Toys this communicator. Like it looks like R2 is a R2 unit in there, and that makes sounds. I just thought, why not putting also in here? I just use a bottle thing to put this a little bit up, and there is a custom that I made that Buddha Jedi sent me some parts. He sent me this leg, this body. I had this center leg from Mace Windu's astromech, and this other leg that I had, and this, if you know what this is from Akbar, the microphone, if I'm not mistaken, but I don't have any head for him, so I thought, let's put him my own custom R2 unit. I know that don't look so cool, but yeah, it works. I have some. This is my all R2 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If this counts. Lando Calrissian is shrinking a glass that this R2 have. So these are removable. Also, but the Jedi sent me this R2 unit from the vintage collection that comes with this shrinking thing. And he also sent me the Gamorrean Guard that I'm making the diorama for it. So, but I thought that why not making a new video, because 2 weeks ago, but I didn't have time because I had a problem with my foot, but now is everything okay. And yeah, tell me what you think about a Jedi, or everyone. Tell me what I can do better. I know this is a working in progress, but if you can help me on ideas, I will absolutely accept them, because I know that's not perfect, but it's something. One thing that I really like is this came out really good. It looks like professional. I think looks really cool, and I have this own custom droid thing, as you can see. Yeah, so please tell me in the comments what you think.